Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Barefoot gas pedal is probably one of the most overlooked components in your car, yet it's absolutely essential for controlling your vehicle's speed and performance. Today, we're diving deep into the world of foot gas pedals, exploring what makes a great one, and helping you navigate the options to find the perfect fit for your car. Get ready to accelerate your knowledge and find the perfect pedal. Number 5. Speedway Motors Barefoot Pedal Dimmer Kit, Chrome. Want to give your car a classic look? This kit adds a retro touch. Its unique design will make your car stand out. Installing this kit is easy. It slips right over your existing pedals. No complicated modifications are needed. The pedal and dimmer cover are made of durable, zinc-plated steel. This ensures it will last a long time and resist corrosion. The kit includes both the gas pedal and dimmer switch covers. This gives your car's pedals a matching, stylish appearance. The mounting bracket is also included, ensuring a secure fit. This kit is designed for universal fit. Whether you have a hot rod or a classic cruiser, it will add a unique touch to your interior. What we like. This pedal cover adds a touch of retro style to your vehicle. It's incredibly easy to install, slipping right over your existing pedal. If you are looking to enhance your car's classic look with a durable, chrome-finished accessory, you should consider this. What people say. Good quality product, easy installation, looks good in my classic 69 Chevy C10. Great looking, lots of positive comments, really dressed up the interior. Number 4. Pedal Pad Anti-Slip Aluminum Pedal Covers. Want to give your car a personal touch? This pedal cover not only enhances your car's interior but also ensures your safety while driving. It helps you get rid of sand and water on your soles, improving your driving experience. These gas pedal covers are made from premium-grade aluminum, ensuring durability and a long-lasting construction. They are designed to withstand daily wear and tear, providing you with a reliable product. Say goodbye to slipping. The anti-slip rubber base enhances friction between your foot and the pedal, providing a steady and secure driving position. Drive safely, even with flat shoes on. Installing this pedal cover is simple. Just remove the factory pedal covers and replace them. No drilling or welding is needed, but remember to measure your pedal before ordering. We are committed to producing quality car accessories. We focus on offering the best to our clients while maintaining high-quality standards. You can trust this product. What we like. This pedal cover features an anti-slip surface for enhanced safety. It's made from premium aluminum for durability. If you are looking for a secure and stylish upgrade, especially if you often drive with flat shoes, you should consider this. What people say. Was stubby den OG foot back in the 80s but worked perfectly for nowadays cars. Fit like a glove. All the parts are there. Ordered for the husband and he loves it. He said it was perfect. Looks great and fits like a glove. Number 3. Mr. Gasket Pedal Pad Foot Style, Chrome. This is a genuine Mr. Gasket product. It's designed for performance and made from quality materials. The pedal pad is built to enhance your vehicle's performance. It's a great addition for any car enthusiast. Made with durable materials, this pedal pad is built to last. You can count on it for the long haul. Installing this pedal pad is a breeze. It's designed for easy installation, so you can get back on the road quickly. This pedal pad is built to withstand the test of time. It's a reliable choice for your vehicle. This pedal pad is designed to fit your specific vehicle. Ensure a perfect fit and optimal performance. What we like. This is a genuine Mr. Gasket product designed for performance. It is made from quality materials and is easy to install. If you value brand reputation and seek a reliable, performance-oriented pedal cover, you should consider this. What people say. He loves it and it looks good in his car. It was easy to make it work on it. Definitely makes my retro-inspired style C10 look sick. Number 2. JEGS Foot-Shaped Gas Pedal Cover. Introducing the JEGS Foot-Shaped Gas Pedal Cover. This classic accessory is designed to add a unique touch to your vehicle, making it stand out from the crowd. It features a universal design, fitting most vehicles with a cowl or firewall-mounted pedal up to 2 inches wide. This ensures that it can be easily installed in a wide range of cars. Crafted from polished die-cast aluminum with a black inlay, this cover not only looks great but is also built to last. The durable construction ensures it can withstand daily use and maintain its appearance over time. Enhance the look of your car even further with the optional matching floor dimmer switch cover, available separately. This allows you to create a cohesive and stylish look throughout your vehicle's interior. This pedal cover is a great conversation starter, perfect for car shows and exhibits. It's a simple yet effective way to personalize your vehicle and showcase your unique style. What we like. This pedal cover has a classic foot shape and fits most vehicles. It's made from polished die-cast aluminum. If you like a unique, eye-catching design and want a durable, stylish pedal cover, you should consider this. What people say. Works and looks good. It's true to its description as in it fits most pedals, but it fits a common rectangular shape, classic car pedal like a glove and without any play. Easy to install. Number 1. Barefoot gas pedal. This innovative pedal is designed for ultimate control and comfort. It enhances your driving experience by providing a more natural feel. The design allows for precise throttle control. It gives you better responsiveness, making driving smoother and more enjoyable. The ergonomic design reduces foot fatigue. You'll find that it provides a comfortable driving experience, even on long trips. Installation is quick and easy. You can upgrade your vehicle in minutes, with no special tools required. Upgrade your ride today with this pedal. It's the perfect addition for any driver looking to enhance their vehicle. What we like. This pedal cover offers a simple and clean design. It is easy to install. If you are looking for a minimalist approach to enhance your vehicle's interior, you should consider this. What people say. Fit well and looks old school. Easy to install, looks great in the old truck. Easy install. Had one years ago in my Gremlin and had to get one for my Coupe de Ville. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.